Hey everybody, happy Monday, Marion the Barbarian here. Alright, last shave was Thursday, this is Monday morning, so what is that? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so we're like a little over 3 days worth of growth, because I'm a nighttime shaver generally, and this is early in the morning, it's about 5:15, and I have got a quick shave. We're going to be quick about it, see if I can get it all done and uploaded before I got to be at work at 8:30. I got some other stuff to do before I go to work, but we just got out of the shower. Got the beard nice and oil-free. Had the kids all weekend. Dropped them off yesterday. Decided, hey, I'm going to bed. Came home, ate, finished doing some dishes, and I went to bed. So this morning we are using Suavecito, Eucalyptus, and Tea Tree. Very nice. I don't have the matching splash. I wish I had the original Creme that I was using, which was Whiskey Bar, but the Whiskey Bar is what we have for the splash. We're using a Maritime BrushCo. Is it BrushCo? Yeah, BrushCo, not Brushworks. I love this thing. I've got a boar in here, but I really do like this hybrid. Colors are pretty cool. I'd like to pick up another one, but I need another brush like a hole in the head. So we use the Creme. Creme's like 2 years old, guys. I bought it from, it's a brand that's carried at my local barber shop I go to, Scouts. So, well, they're a chain. I don't know if they're more than just here in Nashville, but they're all over Nashville. Great little experience. You get beer while you sit there and wait on your haircut. And you can drink beer while you're getting your haircut. It's glorious. And it's artisanal beer. It's not like Bud Light, Michelob, something like that. They generally get something in from some local brewery. I can't remember which one off the top of my head. Karve Chrisopher Bradley, B plate, open cone. Guys, this may be one of those where I don't link stuff at the bottom because I don't want to get the video out today. Since I said happy Monday, right? Excuse the sniffles early in the morning. There we go. Just get that line. I like when I have a lot of growth and it comes off because it's a satisfying feeling. But I do like to shave daily. Sometimes it turns into, if I can't enjoy my shave the way I want to, I'm not going to shave that day. Sometimes to enjoy it, I want to film it. I used to shave every day no matter what. This is because work required it. Work does not require it anymore. So there's nothing forcing me to do it. But I do like shaving every day since I got into the hobby. I just don't do it as much because if I don't get, it's my shave, I'm going to do it my way. And if I can't do my shave my way, well, we're not doing it. I'm gonna be a little toddler about it. So, tell you what, I love when the kids come over, but it's funny how much time I probably spend in the kitchen. I did add a little bit more water to the lather. But yeah, it's crazy how much time you spend in the kitchen when you have the kids, or at least for me. It's like you're making breakfast that morning. By the time you get all that done and put away, you got one of them coming in. I'm hungry. Can I get a snack? And you're like, what in the world? You just ate. I guess technically that was like 30 minutes ago when you finished eating. And it's like, well, what do you want for a snack? Then we make a snack. Get all that done, cleaned up, put plates away and stuff. Want another snack. Then it's lunchtime. Seems like all the kids do is eat. Now, sometimes it's different. I think it depends on growth spurt or something, but they're really, some weekends they'll plow through some food. And sometimes I can barely get them to eat. There we go. Tricky area. Did I cut something there? Can't tell. All right. I said quick shave, guys, and I'm taking my time this morning. Got time to be at work, though. Getting to work on time is not going to be a problem. It's all the other things I want to. It's all the other things I want to get done. That's what's crucial. All the other stuff you want to get done so you don't have to do it tonight. Because, guys, I woke up at like 3:30. I'm living on CDB time. Why did I go with the grain there? Woke up 3:30. Went to the restroom. Went back to bed. Laid there till about 4. It's like, crap, I might as well get back up. I can't fall back to sleep. Oh, we did nick ourselves just a little. But yeah. A little crazy, got up early in the morning. Here, we'll readdress the neck, even though I shouldn't. I don't care. Get a little closer today. But it is funny. You love your kids. And they do make life hectic. And more difficult. But when they're not around, you miss them like almost immediately. Because they say the cutest things on top of doing some of the most aggravating things. So we're going to rinse up, guys, and we'll be right back. Alright, guys, we are back. Nice little shave this morning. Feeling good. Didn't really talk about this cream. It's nothing special. When I bought it, I liked it because I can recycle the tubing, because I'm a weirdo like that. It makes a great little lather. Nothing spectacular. The eucalyptus and tea tree, didn't find it really cooling. The eucalyptus was more on the woody side. Let's talk about, I think this is a Smiles for Miles gel tip boar. Of course, this is the beautiful Maritime hybrid. I enjoy this brush. I really do. It should get used more today. I didn't care about matching, so that's why it got used. Whiskey Bar. Love this scent. Not as many people that have tried it love it. I've sent it as sample to people and they just really didn't dig it. I think it smells like a man. I say, like, if you could say something smelled like John Wayne, I would imagine it's this. I think it's wonderful and glorious. Not everybody agrees, and that's fine. But it does smell good to me. And that's all that matters, folks. I got nobody impressed anymore but myself. And that's a wonderful thing, to think the only person you got to impress is yourself. So I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and hopefully I get another video out this week. Hope to catch y'all later.